Hi, today I'd like to introduce you to our new technology, Wave AI-Copilot. This is an AI assistant for your employees that works like a chatbot, trained on your company's internal materials. Within seconds, it can answer your employees' questions in any language. Wave is perfect for those situations where employees often repeat the same questions, forget important information, or don't want to disturb colleagues unnecessarily. It allows them to get quick answers without wasting time. Where to find it? You can find Wave in the menu on the left in the Wave AI Copilot section. To get started, you need to add content. Select a course or a group of courses. Processing takes from a few seconds to a few minutes. And after that, Wave is ready to answer questions based on your materials. On the menu on the left, in addition to the content section, there are three key blocks. First one is personalization. Here you can customize a Wave response style. Choose the tone, friendly, professional, humorous, etc., and the length of the reply. Feel free to experiment to find the tone that best fits your company's style. The second one is configuration. Here you control where and how Wave is available. You can enable it as a chatbot or in separate Wave page, hide it during tests and exams, activate more precise responses, and configure how learners see information source. Access. In this section, you can add users, manage their access, and see how many seats are available. If you update your course, you can click here and update the course for Wave. So Wave refreshes its knowledge, or you can remove the course from Wave if needed. Let's switch to a learner's interface. I see the chat with Wave and I can ask a question. For example, what is communication? Wave analyzes the information and responds based on your materials. Wave answered, and we see that communication is the exchange of ideas, let's say process. Let's try another language, Spanish. I don't think that communication is the process. Wave answers in Spanish and correctly explains why my statement is not accurate. The content language or a learner's language doesn't matter. The AI handles it easily. Wave does not invert information, it does not use external sources, it relies only the materials that you have uploaded. It makes it protected, secure, and more accurate than Googling. The AI assistant significantly improves the learning experience, especially in remote formats. I hope that helped and have a good day.